Hey parents, welcome to Elite Finance Insights, the place where you manage money for your kids' future the right way. No fluff, no empty promises, just real, actionable tips that'll actually make a difference for your family. Let's go. Today we're diving into a topic that's not just practical, but one that can completely transform your family's financial health. We're talking about how to cut household expenses without sacrificing quality. If you've ever felt like your paycheck disappears faster than you'd like, or you're looking for smart ways to save money without compromising on the things you love, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll have actionable strategies to reduce your monthly expenses while still maintaining a comfortable lifestyle for your family. Let's jump right in. Let's start with the big one: groceries. For most families, food is one of the largest recurring expenses. But here's the thing, you can save hundreds of dollars each month without resorting to instant noodles or sacrificing healthy, delicious meals. First, start meal planning. By planning your meals for the week ahead, you can buy only what you need and avoid unnecessary purchases. Look for recipes that use similar ingredients to minimize waste. Another great tip is to shop with a list and stick to it. Impulse purchases can add up fast. And don't forget to check for sales or use coupons. Apps like Ibotta or Rakuten can help you earn cash back on groceries, which might seem small at first, but trust me, those savings add up over time. Speaking of food, consider cutting back on dining out. I get it, life gets busy and takeout is convenient, but cooking at home is not only healthier, it's significantly cheaper. If eating out is something your family enjoys, try limiting it to special occasions or set a monthly dining out budget. You'll still enjoy the treat, but it won't derail your finances. And if your kids love pizza night, why not make it a family activity? Homemade pizzas are fun to prepare and way more affordable than delivery. Next up, let's talk about utilities. Your electric, gas, and water bills are essential expenses, but you don't need to overpay. Start with small changes. Switch to energy-efficient light bulbs and unplug devices when they're not in use. Did you know that even when turned off, many appliances still draw power if they're plugged in? This is called phantom energy, and it can add an extra 10% to your electricity bill. For heating and cooling, set your thermostat a few degrees higher in summer or lower in winter. Programmable thermostats can make this super easy. And when it comes to water, encourage shorter showers and fix any leaks around the house. Those dripping faucets are literally money going down the drain. Now, let's talk about subscriptions and memberships. We all love streaming services, but do you really need 5 of them? Take a look at your recurring expenses and cancel anything you're not actively using. This goes for gym memberships, magazine subscriptions, and apps too. A quick audit of these expenses can free up money for other priorities. And if you're a fan of Netflix, Disney+, or similar services, consider rotating them. Subscribe to 1 or 2 platforms each month instead of keeping all of them year-round. You'll save money and still enjoy your favorite shows. Transportation is another area where families can often save big. If you're a 2-car household, ask yourself if you could get by with one. Not only will you save on gas, but you'll also cut down on insurance and maintenance costs. Speaking of insurance, this is a big one. Whether it's car insurance, health insurance, or home insurance, it's worth shopping around every year to see if you can get a better deal. Many companies offer discounts for bundling multiple policies or maintaining a good driving record. It's an easy way to save hundreds, if not thousands of dollars a year. Another major expense to tackle is housing. Now, moving to a cheaper area or downsizing isn't realistic for everyone, but there are still ways to save. Refinancing your mortgage, for example, could lower your monthly payments significantly, especially if interest rates have dropped. If you're renting, try negotiating with your landlord when your lease is up. You might be surprised. They'd often rather keep a good tenant than risk the property sitting empty. For families, kids' expenses can add up quickly. From clothes to extracurricular activities, it sometimes feels like the costs never stop. One way to save on clothing is by shopping secondhand. Thrift stores, consignment shops, and even online marketplaces like Facebook Marketplace or Poshmark can help you find high-quality items for a fraction of the price. And for activities, don't be afraid to look for free or low-cost options in your community. Public libraries, local parks, and community centers often have amazing programs for kids that won't break the bank. Let's not forget about entertainment. Family fun doesn't have to cost a fortune. Instead of going to the movies, host a movie night at home. Swap out expensive vacations for more affordable road trips or staycations. And take advantage of free activities in your area, like hiking, visiting local museums on free admission days, or attending community events. You'll create great memories without the hefty price tag. Now, here's a big one that often goes overlooked: your debt. High-interest debt, like credit cards, can eat away at your budget. If you have multiple debts, consider consolidating them or refinancing to lower interest rates. The money you save on interest can go directly toward paying off the principal faster. And always try to make more than the minimum payment. It's the fastest way to get out of debt and start saving money. Finally, let's talk about mindset. Saving money doesn't have to feel restrictive. Instead, think of it as aligning your spending with your values. What's really important to you and your family? Is it spending quality time together? Building financial security? Once you're clear on your priorities, it becomes much easier to cut out the expenses that don't align with your goals. And there you have it. By making these changes, you can cut household expenses without sacrificing quality or comfort. Remember, it's all about small, consistent steps that add up over time. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to like this video and subscribe for more money-saving ideas. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.